What are you doing, Marissa? What are you doing?
Oh no.
What you doing? Did you find a stick? What's Papa doing? Is he gonna fly his airplanes? You wanna go see him fly his airplanes? Okay, let's go. Okay, where's the airplane? Show me where the airplane is. Okay, you gonna sit there and watch? Oh, your hat. Oh. You're okay? Put your hat on. I can't even see anything. The sun's in my eyes.
Here you go. Marissa, come here. Come look at the plane. I'm gonna land. Oh.
Ooh. Marissa. 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 Hey. You practicing to be a big sister?
No, it's showing.
You're not? Do you want to be a big sister? No? No, we gotta go to the stroller to get the snacks. They're in the stroller. Let's go get the stroller. Come on, it's over here. I think your snacks are over here. Come on. Come on. Airplane. I don't even know if it's in the screen. I can't even tell.
Okay. Let's see if I can get a real close shot of it.
Whoa.
That was close, huh? Here you go. It's running out of juice. Alright, time to land. Come over here. Alright, there it is.
Can I have a goldfish?
Okay.
Can I have one? Do you have one? Can I have a goldfish? Thank you. planning on landing or something?
Okay, I'm gonna land.
No, you said to come for her to come over, so I was wondering.
Oh man.
Marissa, get your hands out of there. Yuck.
Oh, yuck.
Ew.
Yeah.
Dirty.
Wow, that was hard.
And you're wet.
Was that pretty cool?
Oh no, no. No.
Mommy.
That's not good.
Marty.
You want to get out?
Out.
Okay. Okay.
Yucky.
Okay. Say please.
Please.
Hey, can you count to 5? 1. Count to 5 and then you can get out.
No.
No counting. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay.